To get rid of pesky flies outside, set up an oscillating fan near where you'll be hanging out. The strong breeze will blow away any flies that buzz by. You can also light a citronella candle, which flies hate the smell of. To make your own fly trap, mix a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water in a jar. Roll a piece of paper into a cone. Cut off the tip and tape the cone inside the jar so the tip is just above the sugar water. Flies will go through the funnel to get the sugar water, and then they won't be able to get out. Another thing you can do is cut up thin strips of cloth. Then dip them in essential oils that repel flies, like lavender, eucalyptus, rosemary, and lemongrass oil. Hang the strips up outside on branches or railings. To prevent flies from coming back, keep your yard free of food scraps, dog droppings, and open garbage cans. Also, make sure there isn't any standing water in your yard, so flies don't gather there to drink.